Hello everybody, it's your boy Kerry and we are back again with another video. So took some shots during Asia yesterday and was over a 4 hour setup, I passed all the accounts I told you guys in the previous video that were like down, managed to get them back from break even with the recent video I think I recently posted, right? So I like passed all of those accounts with this setup on gold. It was a sell setup over 1:4. Setup helped me like passed about I think 5 accounts funded 250k with funding pips, 150k with alpha capital and two 10ks with Titan capital. Yeah, but I also got two accounts with QT funded which were passed from phase 1 to phase 2. One of the accounts were given, one I'm still ourselves away for 24 hours. The second account, the second firm, yeah, Titan, I think I passed one account, like the evaluation fees from phase 1 to phase 2, Titan 25k, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Got out of the drawdown on some of the accounts I had. Let me give you guys a trade breakdown for the setup. Okay, boys, so let's get right into the breakdown for the setup. Coming over to our Asia session right here. I really like to wait for like 2 a.m. right, GMT, that London time, to see the reaction is gonna give, right? But keep in mind, I still had a bearish bias. Price came, you can see the dump. Then this candle quickly like fell. Then so the first thing I did, took my fib level, and so the price indeed tapped in our 50% um Fibonacci, right? Price came in a little bit too fast. Okay, so with price coming in that way, I had eyes at this area right here. After price gave this reaction, dump. But to be honest, I wasn't even like sure if price was gonna trigger, right? The one thing I know for sure was if I have two inefficiencies like this, the second one, price most of the time will stop in the second, like let's say the first, since it's a sales scenario, the first inefficiency that was created before the second, price will definitely run past through this one, right? With that in mind, and also I told you guys I missed a lot of setups last time because of the time limit, the time I was setting for my limit to expire, right? Like I just set my limit to expire at 6 a.m. in the morning, but most of the time some of my setups will trigger at 7 o'clock or 7:30. So I was like, this one I'm gonna set it 7:30 since London opens at 8. 7:30, if the market doesn't like trigger for me, the trade is invalidated, right? And this candle triggered me exactly at the 7:30, right? You can see right here 6:30 because of the time frame here on trading view, but it triggered me like 7:30. Okay, with that being said, right, normally my stop loss was this, should have even like taken out my stop loss, because this, my stop loss was here, right? The entry was here, and yeah, you know, target was 1:3.5 first, but the first was 1:3, but price came down and smashed past the 1:3 level. When price got here, price reacted so fast, it actually just smashed, went down, giving me an extra 1 hour, meaning if you were buying and your stop loss was somewhere around here, price would have violated your stop loss. Instead of 1%, you might have lost over 2%, right? So took the sales. I woke up, yeah, I woke up when price was somewhere around here, right? This is when I woke up because I set my limit, price was still here. Yeah, I went to bed, woke up about 4 hours later, price already tapped in, dipped past the 50%, came out, was giving this reaction. Then I was just watching the trade. Price slowly came down. As soon as price tapped in this area right here, right? 1 risk reward. I trailed my stop loss somewhere around here. It was shared to the Discord as well. If you come over to the Discord, you can see this is it right here. This was the trade, shared everything with the Discord. This was the limit. You see, I was telling them not sure it's going to trigger. Game tapped in and trail stop loss, everything was shared. Also past some account, you know, not really like not much people on here, but yeah, still trying to like get this Discord together. So you see, right, this candle just opened, blasted past the take profit, resulting in about a 4 TP. Yeah, because I was using 500 on the trade and I was targeting about 1,500, but price closed me about 2,000 something, so it's a 4 plus setup, right? So this setup right here passed me all of these other evaluations, right? And it's really like a great thing, you know. Like I was telling you guys, I was pretty sure I'm most likely to like, we don't know the how this outcome, we can't predict the future, but I was definitely like more confident in myself that I'm going to get those accounts out of the drawdown and definitely get them funded before the month ends, right? Today is the 25th as of the time we're recording this video, and you can see right here it did play out. I did manage to get funded. Now I'm funded over 125k of funding pips. Secret another payout today, 1%, you know, minus the 20%. Yeah, I'm gonna look forward to like next month if some discounts drops on funding pips and Alpha Capital. I'm definitely gonna chop another account with them, right? I'm definitely gonna chop another account with Alpha Capital for sure. That's for sure. So when trading the live phase, because if I make profit on the live phase, I won't like be over trading the account. If I make profit, I want to let the account be, but I also want like a legitimate prop firm, because most of the other prop firms I have are like Titan Capital and QT. Those are bullshit firms, right? You can't rely on them. You can trade them, but you can't really like rely on them. Like QT funded right now, they emailed me telling me some BS about my payout, Rick's interview. That will email me next week on the date they are going to give me for the interview. I know it probably take about 2 months plus, right? Because it's over 2 weeks already. So I'm not really taking the payout too serious. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.